Hey, welcome to Tool Spec. So yes, you guessed it. Today is the part 2 video for the test for CAT power tool versus Ryobi HP power tool. For today's video, we're actually going to put the drills aside because the trouble is the Ryobi HP battery is actually running down low. It's at 50% right now compared to the CAT battery that is 4 out of 5 bars. So in order to make the drill test go smooth and give them a fair comparison for the remaining of the test, I'm going to put those 2 batteries back on charge. Today we're going to test the 1/4 inch driver. So both batteries are fully charged. First, we're going to run some 3-inch screws into this piece of 4x4 here. Then we're going to run some Tapcon 3/16 and 1/4 inch Tapcon into the center block. And then after that, I got that piece of oak here that's from a newel because we're replacing a railing inside our house. So we're going to try to drive those lag bolts into it. So we'll start right away with the Ryobi. We're going to drive those 4 screws into it, and then I'll post the time up there. Ryobi only have 1 torque setting for it, so whatever you're doing with the trigger, you have the whole control. While CAT here have the 3 different settings for torque. So to make it fair, we're going to go in torque number 3 for it. So the highest power, highest speed. Let's run our 4 screws in. Now let's do a Tapcon. If you want to watch the video about drilling this concrete block to get it ready for the Tapcon, then you have to watch the review with the DX12, because this one have the option of being able to drill concrete. Right now, let's put our Tapcon in. We'll start with the 3/16, that's the 3 first holes, and then after that it is the 1/4. But we'll do the 3/16 for bolt drill first. And go. Now let's do CAT. CAT is a little bit slower, but you can feel that the torque is there. Now 3 each for the 1/4 Tapcon. Same for CAT. That's it for the Tapcon. Now I guess we can see how easy it is to remove them. Oh, actually, Ryobi broke the heads. This one broken too. Ryobi broke all 3 heads for the 316 tap gun. Well, CAT didn't break anything. Quarter inch, you're okay. So that's it for the tap gun and the center block here. Now let's move on to that piece of oak which is hardwood and see about those lug bolts here, if we can drive them into it. Hopefully everything works good, it doesn't split the wood, but I'm not gonna pre-drill anything just to make it harder on the tools. For the socket that it needs for those lug, this is actually a 1/2 inch socket here. No problem. Let's try the CAT. Both of those logs end up cracking the wood, but just when I was getting to the end of the log. In the third video, we're going to do some drilling, and the first drill that we're going to do, don't miss that video, it's going to be the 1.5 inch, and we're going to drill through this oak piece using the drivers for this one. And then after that, the last test that we're going to do, we're actually going to drill into those piece of steel here and that piece of channel using a 1/4 inch bit and a 1/2 inch bit, both of them using the drills. And make sure you watch in the center here. Subscribe, you will subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.